Okay, so here's the deal. Astronomy, the study of the sky, fascinating stuff. It's been around forever.
Forever?
Okay, maybe not forever, but thousands of years. The thing is, at first, astronomy was just about looking at the stars, trying to think of the seasons, for farmers, right? But then 400 years ago, Italian scientist Galileo Galilei found mountains on the moon and new stars.
哦，所以原来是因为这个人啊 Galileo Galilei?
That's right. And the fact that he found them changed the way people thought about, well, everything. About our world and space and suns and stars. It says that he's an Italian scientist. And this is what scientists do, actually. They look at the world around us and try to figure out how it works. So they learn about things like the stars, or maybe medicine, or maybe they use math to answer questions about gravity, or anything like that. It's a person who studies one or more of the natural sciences.
所以其实所谓的 scientist 就是科学家的意思，因为 science 是科学，而 scientist 当然指的就是科学家咯。
Now, I gotta tell you, Anna, before I came to Taiwan, I was actually a scientist.
Really?
Yep, I studied the oceans down at the bottom. They have hot springs, just like Taiwan hot springs, except it's at the bottom of the ocean. And I used to study the water and the chemistry of these hot springs.
是哦，所以你之前在美国是研究海底温泉，哇！
Yeah, it's really cool because if you're a scientist, you're learning about the world around you, and often you try to take that learning and find out how to make your life or other people's lives better. For example, scientists have been trying to find a cure for cancer. Scientists have been trying to find a cure for cancer.
所以其实科学家并不是只是会看星星啊、看月亮啊，或者是研究温泉啊，像科学家也一直在寻找对癌症的治疗方法。
That's right. So Galileo Galilei, he looked through a telescope, right? That thing with glass at the two ends. It makes things far away look really close. And he saw mountains on the moon. He saw new suns. He saw all these wonderful things. And his discoveries spurred several developments in astronomy. Now, his discoveries are the things he learned that were new. Nobody knew before, or had seen them before. It says that these discoveries spurred developments in astronomy. The word spur is a word power word. It means to make something happen quickly or soon.
所以其实啊，这些发现是什么发现呢？原来当时伽利略是因为他的天文望远镜，所以发现了月亮上面呢是有山的，而且还发现了好多不同的星星。那么这些发现就 spur， 其实这个 spur 就是动词，所谓激励的意思，激励某人做某事 ，spur somebody to do something。可这个动词要特别小心哦，它的过去式跟过去分词要重复字尾的 r， 再加上 ed。
Right. For example, consumer vouchers were meant to spur people to spend more money. Consumer vouchers were meant to spur people to spend more money.
就是我们所谓的消费券啦，消费券发放嘛，我们就会花钱咯，就可以刺激消费咯。
Now, before we get off Galileo, I just got to say he's got a very interesting story.
什么故事？
All about how he looked through the telescope, saw these things. The reason he did that was his first job, he made glasses.
哈，
He ground glass or rubbed it really hard to give it shape so that he could make glasses to help people see.
你的意思是说伽利略他其实之前不是科学家咯？
That's right. And there's a lot more to the whole story after he made his first telescope. You can find out more about it in our magazine. But anyway, the idea is his discoveries really got astronomy going. In fact, it even inspired us to do things like send people to the moon.
没错。
1969. I get just chills when I think of it because I'm a scientist and I'm kind of a dork, but also because it's just so cool. In fact, it's so cool that this year we are celebrating how far astronomy has come in the past 4 centuries. What we're doing is the United Nations has called for 2009 to be the International Year of Astronomy.